let's get started with today's meal. And you know what? I thought the first dish that we would do would be the shrimp and scallop fraiche. Now we're gonna start by making a creme fraiche. And it sounds like a very fancy title, but it's so simple. We're gonna take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream.
Okay, you're gonna have to walk me through this. I've never done this before.
Oh, well, it's just really nothing to it. And then we're gonna stir 2 tablespoons of sour cream into the heavy cream. And then we're just gonna cover it and set it out on the counter, leave it at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. And it's gonna thicken, and it's gonna be delicious. And this is what we're gonna use to finish off our dish. Now over here, I'm gonna melt a 1/2 stick of butter. All right, so while our butter's melting, Jamie, if you would take our shrimp and scallops and just season them, please, with the salt and pepper. All right, now to this, Jamie, I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon and 3 cloves of fresh minced garlic. What we're gonna do at this point is we're just gonna saute off our seafood. And you'll wanna start with the scallops because they're bigger than the shrimp and they'll take a little longer.
So you're gonna eyeball these to when they're done?
Yeah.
Are we gonna cook these all the way through? Or?
No, they're done now. In fact, you can take them up. I have you a slotted spoon over there.
Okay.
And just dip them up and put them in that plate.
Will you turn that fire off?
Okay, and just make sure you leave all that juice in there. Those smell so good.
Yeah.
We're gonna quickly finish up this dish. All right, son, I got you a little chicken stock right there. I've got you some cornstarch. We're gonna mix that with the chicken stock. This is just a slurry that's gonna tighten up our sauce. All right, now I have a little cognac here, and I'm gonna pour that in. And then I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of the creme fraiche. And if I need to, then I'll add some more in a minute. Now let's just put your shrimp and scallops
Back?
back in there, just dump them in there. I think I'm gonna just add a little basil to this. And we're gonna taste it, and I'll fix us some angel hair pasta or whatever kind of pasta you want in a little while. How's that?
Sounds good.
Just a little bit for me. Gosh.
Just a little bit for me.
There's not gonna be any left for Brooke and Michael.
Well, we love them, but let's don't take it too far. Cheers, Mom.
Cheers to you, son.
And congratulations.
Oh, what?
Newlywed.
Oh, thank you. Same to you. I love this.